All right, so I'm going to show you a few features of Desmos. This is going to be linked on the next slide, and this is what you will use to enter your data into. Normally, we would use those yellow graphing calculators, but we don't have them. You don't have those at home, I'm going to guess. So Desmos is pretty user-friendly. So if you haven't used it before, here are just some little tips and tricks. Um, you enter things into this line. So let's say I wanted to type an equation, y equals 3x plus 2. It will graph it for me and show me what it looks like. You can also enter points 0, comma 5, and it will put it on there for me. You can change the color of those lines by going to settings and clicking that little colored circle. You can choose the color, you can choose the style, what you want it to look like, and so on. Now, what we will be doing is inserting a table. So you'll go to add item and click table. Okay, and it'll give you X1 and Y1 values. And then you are going to start entering the data that I gave you on the last slide about COVID-19 outside of China. The X values, those are going to be that middle column. So we'll start with like the 1, and then the Y value, that's how many people have been infected. So the far right column, 9, and then so on. So you just keep going. If you zoom out a little bit, you can zoom in and out. You can use these buttons over here. You should be able to see your points come up as you're entering them in.